So our today's topic is how JMeter perform the record and playback, right? Each
Record
and
and
every playback,
okay.
right? Each and every time
Yeah.
user cannot create all the requests because when you open any browser, you will see like, are you able to see this guru99.com?
Now I can't. Yeah, now it's available.
Yes, okay. So
Yes, okay.
you see when I load this guru99.com, what happens?
Mm.
You see in console,
Yeah.
you have seen that there are
Yes.
57 or 59 requests are there. Are you able to see here? 59 requests are there in this console, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So 59 requests are there. So for single page, it is just a single page, and for single page there are, sorry, now it's increased, it's a 74 total page load requests are 74 requests, right?
Mm.
And it is only the single
Where
page
did you see? Where did you see 74?
here in console, below
Okay. Okay. Okay.
network.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
In a console network you will see
Yes. I can.
74 requests.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
see, for single page it is 74. So if you have to test 4 pages, you have to multiply these requests, right?
Yeah.
74 into 4,
Around
around
300.
350 requests or
Mm.
300 plus requests you have to
Mm.
create in JMeter, right?
Okay.
So is
Yeah.
it possible to create 340 requests, and if you have tight deadline, right?
It's possible.
So it's not possible to achieve deadline, right? And we do not have generally this much of time we
Okay.
have in
Yeah.
project. So what we have to do, we have to use the record and playback feature of JMeter so that it will record all the requests. There are icons on the page. See, there are different icons on the page. These
Mm.
are all the icons are there. So all icons, how many icons and all, each and every request is captured by JMeter. Okay.
Yeah.
So today we will try to record and playback a single site. We will create a test plan using record and playback. We will not
Okay.
manually add the requests. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I am going to show you the method how you will record and playback in the JMeter. Clear?
Okay. Yeah.
So firstly, as it is test plan would be there. Only we have told that we will only capture the request. So other than request, what parameters we have to add? Thread group, right?
Yeah.
Thread group we have to add
Mm.
because number of users after capturing request we have to perform it on number of users. So thread group is very important. Now what is important? Next thing is listener
HTTP
is important.
request.
No, HTTP is not important because HTTP request is there, and it where what we are going to do, we are going to record the request. So we will not add the HTTP,
Okay.
right? But we will
Yeah.
add something different to capture
Okay.
that. So one another thing is listener. We have to add the listener because we will need
Mm-hmm.
the result. Now
Okay.
to create the request, or where after recording the request, where those requests will reside,